Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about an easy way of applying multiplication in Microsoft Excel. So, let's get started. First, we need to have cells that include a number in it. We can observe the data over here that in cell A, there is a value of 6, while under B, there is a value of 7. Now, to apply multiplication, we should type in the box beside them an equal sign and click on the first cell, followed by an asterisk, and click on the second cell. By pressing enter, we have obtained the value of 42, which is the direct result of multiplying 6 and 7. Now, since we have made a formula for this, we can easily change the value to anything that we want. The results will automatically update whenever we try to change the value. Let's try to fill up the other cells with random values. Now that we have those, we can easily click on the cell that we did before and try to drag the lower right corner of the cell towards the very end of our list. And there we go. This is how we use the multiplication function in an easy way in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.